Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find similar games like the Pocket Live Good Live Steam application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the doll icon next to the camera. And here you can find similar games. And you can select another games. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.